Hello, this is AUTOPLAY from LONLITREE.webs.com. I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube video to the very top of your website. We're going to need a certain type of template to do this. Not every web's template allows you to do this as easily, but we're just going to try, just a simple one. Okay, so we need to add a module. You can just do that in the website designer, or just click on manage. We're going to need to custom module. We're not going to add a title. We're just going to edit the HTML. We're going to add a div box here, and we're going to ID it with just something that I can remember it, and go ahead and find the YouTube video that you want. We're going to embed it, so share, embed, and there's a code, but we're going to use the old embed code. You can use the iframe if you want, but I'm just used to with the old. It might work better. You can select the one that closely matches the width of your template, but if not, you can find it out by any browser. You right click, inspect element, and find the element that the total width of your site. In this case, it's 960 pixels. And go back to YouTube, and you can pick one that's close to it, or you can just do a custom one, 960 pixels. So copy the code, go back to the sidebar, go ahead and right click and paste. We're going to add another tag. We're going to add a style tag so we can edit this module, and type text/CSS and end this tag. And we're just going to go ahead and add an empty ID for the YTVID, which is an abbreviation for YouTube, just so we know what we're working with. So now we need to move this sidebar module all the way to the top, as much as you possibly can get it up there. If you want, if you need it on other pages, this just makes it, load faster than the rest of your sidebar if you have more than a few. So let's refresh this page, see if the video showed up. There it is, right there. Now we need to edit the CSS, so I'm going to do that with Firefox. I can use Firebug to easily edit it. So I need to see the height, just checking the height. I'm going to edit the header first, or the container, so we can drop down and make room for the YouTube video. I'm just going to add margin top 516 pixels, just like the video is. Give it enough room. Pushes down all the content, so there's enough room for your video now. So now we're going to edit the video. Let's find this YouTube tag. We gotta look for it. It should be in the second paragraph, remember, we moved it all the way up. So there it is. Right click, view property. We're going to position it absolute and 0 top. And once that should make it go all the way on top. Now we're going to margin left this about 500 pixels just for now, and make sure to negative that because we're pushing it the opposite way. Okay, so now we can just adjust it to better match with the template. And remember, every template is different. It's different sizes. Yours might not be exactly the same, so you really need to know what you're doing, or get the basic gist of it all. So I'm going with 655, pretty even for now, just for this tutorial. Now we just need to copy and paste it. Oh, and if you want to push video down so it won't just reach the top. You can just add, and it'll just, you know, bring it down a little bit. But for now, we're just 0. We don't really need it. It's only if you want to make things more even. Okay, so now we need to copy paste this code. Control C if you guys don't know, and Control V for paste. So come back, edit this code, and just paste it. And we need to copy that container code that we did earlier to push down the content. We just need that margin. We don't need anything else. So then let's make room for that. Again, just the margin. Make sure to end it with a bracket, not a bracket, and another important tag, because we need to override the current CSS. So save that. Always save your work. I'm going to come over here, I'm going to refresh this page and see if it worked. There it is on top. Worked. And here's the Firefox one. As for autoplay, you can do that. There's a link below in the description. Figure out how to autoplay. It's not just for YouTube videos. You can put sliders or images or whatever you want up there. You know, it's your site. Make it shine. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment on LONLITREE.web's blog. Make sure to like this video. Thanks.